Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Abu Shuraih reports that he said to Amr bin Saeed when he was sending the troops to Makkah Mukarramah, "O chief, permit me to narrate to you what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on the day following the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed, my both ears heard it, my heart preserved it, and my both eyes saw him. So after praising and extolling Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, not people, has made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. So it is not lawful for anybody who believes in Allah and in the last day to shed blood in it, or fell its tree. If anyone refers to the permission granted to the apostle by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, tell him that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gave permission to his messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but not to you. And even I was permitted momentarily on that day, then its sanctuary has been restored to it as it was yesterday. The present should convey it to him who is absent." Abu Shuraih was asked, "What did Amr say?" He said, "O Abu Shuraih, I know it better than you. Makkah Mukarramah does not give refuge to one who is disobedient, nor to one who flees after shedding blood or committing pledge." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 104.